how to add a global entry card to Apple Wallet. You want to go into the App Store, and here we're just going to search for Pass2You. Okay, so you need this application, Pass2You Wallet. Just install it, and once you have it installed, click on Open. It's going to look like this, and here what we want to do is click on the orange plus sign in the bottom right, and then apply a pass template. So from here, we will use the search bar to search for global entry, just like that, and you should see global entry ID. So click on it, and here you can customize all of the different fields depending on your specific entry card information. So you can fill out this information, it is safe, so just fill out the information. Here you can click on the pencil icon to fill out any of the different slots here. So I'll just do this as an example to show you. Boom, it appears. Fill out this information, click on done, then you want to click on add, and now if I go into my Apple Wallet, as you can see, I have the global entry card. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.